Newer marriage customs are rich and culturally significant. Here are some key aspects. 1. Bride wealth cattle. Marriage negotiations involve the exchange of cattle, which is a significant part of the bride wealth. The groom's family gives cattle to the bride's family as a form of compensation and to solidify the marriage alliance. 2. Negotiations and agreements. Elders from both families play a crucial role in negotiating the terms of the marriage, including the number of cattle to be given. These negotiations often take time and involve extensive discussions. 3. Ceremonies. The marriage process includes several ceremonies, such as the engagement, the transfer of bride wealth, and the wedding itself. These ceremonies are marked by feasting, dancing, and various traditional rituals. For a role of elders and relatives, elders and extended family members are actively involved in every step of the marriage process, from negotiations to the actual wedding ceremonies. Their approval and blessing are essential. 5. Polygamy. Polygamy is common among the Nuer, and a man can have multiple wives. Each wife usually has her own household and responsibilities. 6. Social alliances. Marriages are not just unions between individuals, but also serve to strengthen social and political alliances between families and clans. 7. Levirate marriage. In cases where a husband dies, it is customary for one of his brothers to marry the widow to ensure the welfare of the widow and her children and to continue the family lineage. 8. Bride's transition. After marriage, the bride moves to her husband's household. There she integrates into his family and community, taking on a role as a wife and future mother. These traditions reflect the Nuer's deep cultural values and the importance of family and social cohesion.